I just took a photo of this train, and this will be the 14:29 service for London Liverpool Street. Will be just slowly departing from Stowmarket, and I think the next one will be the 14:35 service for Cambridge. So this one will just be departed. So this is annoying because when people want to change their services for Cambridge especially, it's difficult because if that train's late and this one is difficult as well, people can't catch the 14:35 Cambridge, which is annoying. So you have to phone ahead or try and make it in time, so which is annoying. So yeah, so we should have the 14:35 service for Cambridge will be coming into Stowmarket.
The next train at platform 2 is the 14:35 Greater Anglia service.
So 14:35 service for Cambridge, corner Elmswell, Thurston, corner for this service is for Cambridge. 14:35 service for Cambridge, corner Elmswell, Thurston, Bury St Edmunds, Dunham, Kennet and Newmarket and Cambridge. Newmarket, Kennet and Cambridge and Dunham. So I'll do a video of this and then I'll take a photo of it before it goes as well.
Smoking is not allowed anywhere at this station or on trains. This includes e-cigarettes.
Yeah.
The next train at platform 2 is the 14:35 Greater Anglia service to Cambridge.
So that'll be coming in slowly into Stowmarket. So once again, Greater Anglia service to Cambridge, 14:35. It's slowly pulling into Stowmarket now. Just be slowly coming into Stowmarket now, and the number for that one is not my stalker train, thank God. I wish it was though. And this number is 170-203 for Cambridge. And we've got a goods train coming through as well at the same time. So I can't take a photo because this one's coming in as well. Goods train, which is brilliant. Which is absolutely brilliant. Hope I get a tone on this one. Please let it be a tone. Number for that one is 6659. And that is going to Felixstowe, and this one is the 14:35 service for Cambridge, will be slowly departing Stowmarket for Cambridge, and you'll get into Cambridge at, I can't remember when, but this one is departing. Thanks for the tone, driver. Well, that made me shock. I wasn't expecting that. Thanks for that, driver. Number for that one is 170-203, service for Cambridge. And thanks for the little tone driver. Wow, I wasn't expecting that. So that was once again Greater Anglia service 1435 service for Cambridge, just leaving Stowmarket now. Massive tone for that one. And the goods train come through as well, and that's going to Felixstowe Docks as well. So I'll catch you in a bit when the next one comes in, guys.